You know, it's either I uninstall Fortnite and reinstall it on my SSD, because it'd probably honestly be quicker to do that. Which
It'd be quicker to uninstall and reinstall the game than download this damn update.
On my 2 terabyte, it'd be like, unless it picks up the fucking pace. Oh, you watched it. Oh, this show.
It's a movie.
This movie.
This guy doesn't even know shit.
Thought it was that one show with that one white thug.
Oh, Sylvester Stallone. Tulsa King. I am not watching that right now.
You got Moana too?
It is.
No, do you?
Oh, if I have it? If it's on streaming services, then yes.
It's not.
Then no. We can watch a shitty cam version that has, like, gambling website ads all over it.
Dude, I want to watch Moana 2 though. Like, the first one is so gas.
I do too. I honestly do.
Like, the first one was so good.
That earlier.
The first one was so good. I don't care what anyone says, that is the best Disney movie.
That shit did go
No way,
hard.
I beat
But you're
Air
forgetting
Fryer.
about Rio. You're forgetting about Rio and Rango. Although those aren't Disney movies, they're like, they fall under that same.
You would rather
I want to
watch
see
a bird go on an
gamble
adventure?
website.
There it is!
I would. It's here, but it's gonna be really, really bad because it's gonna be recorded on a camera in a movie theater.
I saw